Need to reinstall your antivirus protection? Don't worry, it's a very easy process. Open any browser and go to the McAfee login page through Dell by using the link in the description. Look for the Dell logo in the upper right-hand corner to ensure you are on the proper page. Enter your email and McAfee password and click on Login. Once you're in, under the Device Protection tab, click Download next to the product you want to be installed. Read and accept the end-user license agreement terms by clicking Agree and Continue. Now just follow the on-screen instructions on the download page to install and configure the McAfee Security Center via Dell. Remember, whenever you have any questions or need help, you can always reach out to us through social media on Facebook or Twitter, or join in a chat on the Dell Community Forum. Be sure to check out our other helpful videos on this channel, and if you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching!